Hi guys, Dori Sukap here, founder of InSPAration Management. I'm super excited to bring to you another issue of InSPAration Moments. This is of course September. Can you believe it? The fall is almost here. I can't wait to start wearing some jackets and maybe some boots. It's so much fun to have different seasons come upon us, isn't it? It's time to change up your wardrobe and your closet and go shopping. How about some retail therapy for September? One of my favorite things to do. Anyway, I'm super excited because we are going to be very, very busy in the month of September. We're gonna start it off with the Mastermind meeting. We have professionals, millionaires from all over the country coming to the Mastermind meeting. These are all very successful entrepreneurs where we get together twice a year and we brainstorm and learn and share information and resources. It's an incredible event. So we're starting that on the 5th and the 6th of September. And then right after the Mastermind meeting, because a lot of the members actually come to that, then we have the book writing seminar where I spend 2 days, the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, which is the 6th and the 7th. I'm sorry, it's the 7th and the 8th, where we go over how to become published. So I help people write their book in one weekend. So that's also coming up. And then at the end of the month, we have the Millionaires Circle where I teach you how to chart the path to becoming a millionaire. And not just millionaires on the top line, it's actually making millions as net profits. So I am just so excited to be hosting all these events where we keep adding to your success and give you the information and the knowledge that you really need to keep going and keep growing and growing. So super, super excited. Now this feature, this month's issue, is going to feature how important it is to train your team and coach your team. That's what I'm designating this issue to, is training and coaching your team. So you'll find the featured article this month on how coaching pays off. I would encourage you to read that article so you can arm yourself with important strategies that you need to make sure that you have a coach on your team, someone who's coaching your team. Now, as a reminder, I want you to remember that we have the Recipes for Success also this month, and this is an entire program that I'm doing for you on coaching your team. So if you have not been part of it yet, you really should look into it. Then in the bright idea, to continue with the coaching theme for this month, I'm going to do a webinar on September 10th. And this webinar is going to be going over the I.C.A.R.E coaching model that I teach. I'm going to have it as a webinar so you guys can join us and be able to ask any questions. I'm going to be teaching you how coaching truly does pay off. The I.C.A.R.E model is something we've been teaching for several years and it works like a charm. So you definitely, if you feel that your team is a little stagnant, they're not getting the results that you want, but they're good people, then maybe all they need is just a little coaching. And when you implement the I.C.A.R.E model in your coaching, it's total transformation of the team. So you should definitely join me and check it out. You're gonna learn a lot of great things. So this month again is all about that. Now in the Dori Recommends, another teachable moment for you is this. I was having a conversation with my friend Ed Kuhn the other day, and he's I call him the insurance man because he's everything you need to know about insurance when it comes to businesses. And he was telling me about all the different changes that are coming up. So I decided to invite him to join me for a webinar, and that's going to be on September 19th at 2 p.m. Eastern. By the way, the I.C.A.R.E is also at 2 p.m. Eastern. and he's going to be sharing with you all the changes that are going on in liability insurance. So you really need to be on the in of the trends and what's going on and the increases that are planning to come your way. So you need to be ready. So join me and Ed for that webinar. So as you see, we have a September filled with a lot of great content to help you and help your business keep growing. So this is my intro for this month. So stay tuned for the featured article. Until then, stay inspired.